We're up to test 4 now, which is the main body of the test, and this is a test of reading speed. Now the instructions here say the child should read the test as fast as they can. It may seem long, but it's aimed to fatigue the visual system so that we get a true idea of the impact any coloured overlay has on reading. In addition, there is a feature number of lines which allows you to select the amount of text appropriate to the reading ability of the child. There's 3 choices: 15, 10 and 5. Normally you would leave it on 15. If the child has reading difficulties, you would select 10 or 5 depending on their ability. So we're going to take 15 this time and then press OK to start. So as soon as they're ready, press start. So now we're asking them to read the words aloud, and you should follow it with them to make sure they're not missing out big chunks of the test. Okay, if they mispronounce the odd word, that's absolutely fine, but generally if they miss a line or missing large chunks of text out, you should hit the restart test button and go back to the start and start again. Otherwise, follow it along with them, and when they get to the bottom, the end of line 15, you would then press the finish button. So once again, we go through this a couple of times. Start at the top left, read the words. When you get to the end, finish. So we're now putting them under an extra little bit of pressure to see if they can read it faster. Once again, it wouldn't correct them if they mispronounce a word, but if they're missing out large chunks of the text or whole lines of the text, you should stop them, press restart test, and it will go back to the beginning of test 4, so they'll have to do the whole thing over again. Now the final time, you see there's a coloured overlay on there, but the script is the same. Read the words starting in the top left hand corner and only hit the restart test if they're missing out large chunks of text or whole lines.